and that is the rule of 1/3. We've talked about this before about decluttering, but I'm often asked, can we just trim this? All right, let's go back to details matter, and we'll cut it right here. The rule of 1/3, we've talked before about decluttering, but I'm often asked about how much decluttering to do. Would it surprise you to know that we want to box up a full 1/3 of the home's contents and store all that in the garage or in a storage facility? It's true that personal belongings can make a house feel more homey, but at the same time, buyers can't imagine their own stuff there without a little breathing room. This is the rule of 1/3, and it's one of those little known secrets that can help you increase the selling price of your home. Plus, when you do it, it'll make you feel amazing to clean a few things out. Leave me a comment below if you are surprised by this trick of decluttering a full 1/3 of the home's contents. Okay,